Hello friends, today here's in this full video we will learn about how to delete or clear Snapchat chats. Here I will show two ways for delete conversation from your chat list. Please make sure this process is same for Android and iOS. Now let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you are here, then find the chat which you want to delete. Then tap and hold for a while on that chat. Now you will see small menu. Here tap on more. This would appear more options. Now here tap on clear conversation. Again tap on clear to confirm. So now here you can see that the conversation will be removed from your chat list. If you want to delete any one message, then go to conversation, then tap and hold for a while on message. Now tap delete. Here is some instructions. Now again tap on delete to confirm it. So now the message will delete from conversation. To clear this conversation, simply go to chat list and tap and hold for a while on this chat. Now tap on more. Here tap on clear conversation. Again tap clear to confirm. So the conversation will remove from chat list. Now tap on Bitmoji at the left top corner. This is the second way to delete conversation. Now tap on settings icon. Here scrolling down to below and find clear conversations option. Tap on clear conversations under account actions part. Now here you can clear conversations. Here also you can clear multiple conversations at once. To clear any conversation, simply tap on cross icon in front of conversation name. Again tap on clear to confirm. So the conversation will remove from your chat list. So simply repeat the process and follow these steps so you can easily clear conversation. Here it's all done. So that's how easily you can delete conversations. I just hope this video will helpful to you. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and turn on notifications.